smart plugs are among the hottest products on the smart home market, but it can be difficult to know which model is best for your budget, needs, or ecosystem. Here are some of the best smart plugs you can buy today. Number 1. Has a smart Wi-Fi plug. A subtle and compact design, future-forward Meta compliance, and automatic energy monitoring are just a few of the features that make the Keza Smart Wi-Fi Plug Slim the best smart plug you can buy. This smart plug connects through Wi-Fi and works with Apple, Alexa, and Google ecosystems, among others. Its compliance with the Meta Smart Home standard means that it will work with any Meta-compliant ecosystem, too. Best of all, it will save you from downloading another controller app. The Keza Smart Plug is a great option if you're sticking to a budget because its power protection feature allows you to limit the total energy usage of heaters and other devices. The Keza Smart Plug is an inexpensive and versatile smart plug with an unobtrusive design and fantastic compatibility with other devices. It can be controlled through voice commands or the Keza Smart app and boasts Meta compatibility. Number 2. Amazon Smart Plug. If you're looking for a simple setup device that is completely integrated with the Alexa app, the Amazon Smart Plug might be the right fit for your home. This smart plug features a compact single outlet design, making it an excellent fit for even the coziest homes. To use the Amazon Smart Plug, you'll need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. You don't need a hub for setup, and adding the smart plug to your Alexa app only takes 3 steps. This smart plug lives up to Amazon's reputation, and it will make tasks like starting coffee every morning or controlling lights while you're away simpler than ever. Number 3. Roku Smart Home Plug. There's no better bang for your buck smart plug than the Roku Smart Home Plug, which boasts a fantastic reputation, seamless Google Assistant integration, and one of the lowest price points on the market. You can purchase 2 of these smart plugs at a very affordable price point, using them to control devices separately or to power up a room all at once. Like other smart plugs, the Roku Smart Home Plugs offer an impressive level of control over your household. With the Roku app, you can set schedules for your plugs, put them in a custom vacation mode, and even change the on/off status of specific smart plugs with your phone. You don't need a hub to use this smart plug, so the setup is as simple as it can be. One tap is all it takes to manage your smart home through the Roku app when you own these convenient smart plugs. Beyond their affordable price, the Roku Smart Plug's name brand recognition and wide ecosystem compatibility make them a compelling option for any home. Number 4. Meros Smart Plug. If you want an affordable, high-quality smart plug that you can add to Apple HomeKit without a hub, you might love the Meros Smart Plug. This plug sells in a pack of 4 at a very affordable price, but it doesn't compromise quality for cost. It is constructed from PC flame retardant material and is ETL and FCC certified. In spite of its cost, the Meros Smart Plug also offers a tantalizing variety of premium features. You can set it on a schedule or sync it with sunrise and sunset, and voice control with Apple HomeKit and Apple Watch is also supported. Since you don't need a hub for setup, the only thing you need to use this smart plug is a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. If you're running an Apple ecosystem home, there's no better pick for a smart plug than Meros. These compact, powerful smart plugs make controlling your electronics through HomeKit as simple as pairing a code. Number 5. Govee Smart Plug. Last but not least is the Govee Smart Plug, which is ideal for any household that wants to control its smart technology through Bluetooth. Pairing the Govee Smart Home app with an assistant like Alexa or Google Home gives you plug-and-play functionality, and once setup is complete, its comprehensive voice control support will make managing your electronics a breeze. Like other smart plugs, the Govee Smart Plug features a compact horizontal design that doesn't block other outlets. The plug itself is FCC and ETL certified and constructed from flame retardant materials. You'll need the Govee Smart Home app to use and manage your new smart plug, but the quality of the app itself makes it worth installing. Govee excels at delivering all the basics you need at a cheap price point, making it one of the best bang for your buck options on the market. If you're new to smart plugs, The Govee Smart Plug is a fantastic entry point.